Assalamu alaikum dear faculty. Today we are going to discuss how to create the midterm exam in Suit portal. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open the Suit portal, which you can see I have already opened for you. Then a few things you need to get ready before you start preparing exam. First of all, go through the guidelines in detail which are already provided for you for midterm exam regarding your schedule, the papers gap, weightage of exam, instruction for preparation of paper. That is very important. Alright, so your paper should be completely in line with the instruction provided in the point number 7, 8 and 9 of the faculty instruction, which are already provided to you by your coordinator. So according to these instructions, once if you have prepared your midterm paper, this is the sample midterm paper which we showed to you, that is already shared with you. This will be uploaded in Word format to Suit portal. So over here the option is left for solution for the students, where they can basically type in their solution below each question. So there will be main questions and there will be subsections in this as well. So you can follow the rest of the instruction which are provided for this. So this paper should be ready. You should type in your department, program, etc., course code, course name, instructor name, etc. in the leftover spaces. The remaining spaces like student name, registration number, student email, and you can ask for student WhatsApp number as well. They will be filled in by student over here. Alright, so some of the instructions are already provided over here. I will talk about some more instructions in a while as well. So this paper should be ready as well. Your question paper. Also you should have these instructions ready as well. They will be also provided to your coordinators to be shared with all the faculty. I will email it to everyone as well. So these are the instructions which you have to copy paste in the description of the examination, midterm examination. Alright, so this is where all the instruction will come in about regarding plagiarism, copying, how to download the file, how to rename the file, etc., and everything. So students will follow these instructions once you have provided this information. So these things should be ready, right, in one folder in which you can keep them. Now coming back to the portal, you may have defined number of lecture in Suit portals, which you can see over here. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to turn editing on. So now I'm in editing mode. You can see over here all the options, they are on for editing the topics. Some of the faculty may have uploaded the lecture for week number 9 as well, or week number 10, because we are already in week 9, but the exam will be at the end of week 8, so we'll prepare it somewhere over here. Alright, so I've added these two topics for the exam. You should basically add two different activities over here like this. The two topics, you can provide exam in the single topic as well. I will show it how to do that, or in a different topic as well. So you can add additional topic by clicking on this plus sign over here. So once you have clicked on that, you can see topic number 21 will be added in the bottom as well. So you can increase the number of topics if you are finished with number of topics over here. You can add additional as well. Now you can see over here topic number 21 has been added over here as well. So first of all, what I will do, I will upload the paper, the question paper, in Word format. So for that I will use this topic number 19, but let me place it in at week number after week number 8. So you can hold it from here, from this sign over here, you can see, and you can drag this topic up. So you can place it anywhere, like I want to place it over here, so hopefully it will jump over there. Sometimes it takes time in responding. Here you can see, and second time it will work. So now topic number 19 is here. Similarly, I want to move this topic number 20 as well, because over here I will define the activity, the exam activity, so I'll place it over here as well. Okay, so topic number 19 and 20 are placed over here. So one I will use for uploading the paper, and the another I will use for exam activity. You can do them in the same as well, but just because if the students do not get confused, you can add them separately as well. Now first of all, I will prepare the paper, so I will edit this gear button. If you click on this, it will start allowing you edit. Uncheck this box and write midterm exam paper. Okay, so you can add the midterm exam paper over here. So first of all, you will write over here, download the paper in Word format from the following link. Okay, so I've given this in topic description over here. You can highlight it as well, etc. You can do different things, so students will be able to know that this is the midterm exam. So it will be like highlighted over here. I've highlighted. So just save changes. So now you'll see the activity will be defined over here, midterm exam paper. Okay, download the paper from the following link. So now I will just upload the paper. So I will say add activity in resource. All right, and because I want to upload it as a file, remember, make it less than 1 MB file, so you'll be able to directly upload it to the paper, okay, to the portal. So midterm question paper download link. All right, download the MS Word format mid-exam question paper. Alright, I will show the description here as well. Now coming to add file, I want to add file, so I will click on file picker, choose file, go to the mid-exam where you have saved the mid-exam. Where is it? Mid-exam. Okay, so this is the sample paper which we provided to you, prepared by Dr. Qaiser Iqbal. So I will just upload this as a sample exam paper. So I click on open. So once I've done that, then upload this file. All right, so the mid exam paper is now available over here, you can see. So just save and return to course. So you can see over here the question paper is available. Alright, so just students can click on this link and download the paper. So see, paper is being downloaded over here, and now students can solve it. So now the question paper is prepared. Now coming to the exam activity, that how you are going to define the exam activity and where students are going to submit it. So first of all, I will edit this topic and uncheck this box, midterm exam submission portion or topic, or midterm exam submission link, you can say, okay, because it will provide the option to the student. So I will just click on save changes. Now the topic name will be changed to the midterm exam submission link. Here you can see midterm exam submission link. Now over here I have to add activity in resource. Now this is very important. I have to choose now one of the activities, okay, because exam is interactive activity, student will interact with you, so that is why you have to basically choose the activity over here. So now I'm going to choose the activity, and over here click on assignment and click add. Right, so now assignment name midterm exam. Okay, you can write your paper name as well, or geotechnical engineering or whatever. That is basically my subject, so I will write geotechnical engineering. Okay, now in the description over here I will paste those instructions which I provided you for the students. So these are the instructions which you have to place over here. So just copy them. All right, come to portal over here, paste, and then do click on this display description on course page. All right, so click on this, so the instructions are displayed to the student. Now click on expand all, and now coming to the other options. Okay, because I want to discuss all the options over here. The instructions have been uploaded to the students over here, so they will know what to do now. Now your submission dates. Let's say your exam is starting on 5th of August. Okay, you got first paper is starting from 5th August. So I will click on 5th August. Now the timing is very, very important. Remember that this is 24 hours format, and we are going to start paper from 9 in the morning. So 9:00. All right, this is what you have to select. And let's say, because there will be 48 hours for each paper, so let's select 7th of August is submission date, and the timing is once again 9 in the morning. All right, so 9:00 enable. All right, so that is the dates in which the paper will be available. Now submission types, you want student to allow to write online text as well, some notes, so you can check this as well. So I'll keep this checked. You are allowing file submission, so remember this should be always checked in blue. All right, and maximum number of upload files. If you think that your students will not be able to answer and complete 1 MB file, so just keep it safely on 3 file uploads. So he can divide it in 3 equal parts of 1 megabytes and then upload it as well. So I'll keep it as 3. Temporarily the file limit is enhanced to 3 megabytes for now for exam, but still you should keep it 1 megabytes on the safe side. Do not tell your students that it is 3 MB, but it is right now 3 MB unofficially, so that is why there should be no problem. But keep it 3. Maximum number of upload files, keep it 3. Upload size, keep it maximum. All right, 1 megabyte, which is over here. Activity upload. Now feedback types, just keep it like this. Submission settings, this is very, very important. All right, require student to click submit button. By default it is no, change it to yes. All right, so the students will be given the option to submit it. If he does not submit his exam, because there will be check box over there, I will show you later that he will have to check that box and make sure that he is giving a statement that there is no plagiarism in the paper. So keep it yes. Require the student accept the submission requirements, yes. Okay, attempt respond reopen, this is very, very important. Keep it manually. All right, and then keep it 1. Why this is important? Because if you do not change this setting, the students can later on during the given time from 5th to 7th August, they can come delete their paper, upload another paper. If they think that if they've got some idea from somewhere, they can change their submission. One thing. Secondly, because most of the students, they do not change their passwords, so other students access someone else's account and they can check their paper, their exam paper. Okay, so once you have selected manually and maximum attempt as 1, then when the student has submitted a paper from his account, he is not able to open his submission. All right, and check it or replace it once again. So this is very, very important. Keep this manually and maximum attempt as 1. So students will only have 1 attempt at the exam. They can only submit it once, and once they have submitted it, they will not be able to change it or view it, etc. Group submission settings, keep it no. Notifications, no. Alright. Grade, the marks which you want to keep for this. Alright, you can, because we kept it 30%, so for mid exam keep it 30. Category is midterm exam. You have already defined categories in the activities already provided to you in the previous video, so keep it midterm. Okay, and the rest just keep this unchanged. Okay, this one is very important. Completion for tracking. Show activity as complete when conditions are met. Click on this, and student must submit to this activity to complete it. Okay, when student has submitted the exam, this activity will be completed. Only viewing will not be enough. All right, so that is, student must submit to this activity to complete it. So check on this, click show activity as complete when conditions are met, select this, and then check student must submit to this activity to complete it. Okay, now we are completely set. So I will just click on save and return to course, and now you will see that exam activity is created. Okay, now you can see mid exam submission link. This activity is created. The students can click on this link and they can just submit their mid exam. All right, so I'll make a separate video for the students so they'll be able to know that how they are going to attempt it. All right, I will also provide that video, but just say if I click on this, you will see that it will give you the detail of this paper. Participants are 129. There are no submissions yet. Due date is Friday 7 August. All right, and it is not open yet, okay, for submission. So it will be open for submission on the 5th of August. All right, so now what I will do, I will I will change the date to today, and then I will submit one paper just to show you how the students are going to submit their paper in this case. So I'll go back to the course. Okay, from this gear button you can edit the activity, or you can update it or make changes. So I will click on this, and now because this is 5th of August, what is 27? It's 27 July, so I will select 27 July. Okay, and it's available since morning, so I will change this to July. All right, save and return to course. Now this is open for submission. Now students will be able to submit the paper over here. Now let me come in from a student account and submit one trial paper. You can just highlight this as well, so students will be able to see that this highlighted activity, which is important. Okay, from this bulb icon you can highlight it. So let me just log out and log in from a student account. Okay, now I am in the student account. I will go to this subject. Now I am in the student account. I will just go to the activity, to the mid-exam activity. Here it is, you can see, and I will just click on this midterm exam, geotechnical engineering. This is the instruction and submission status. It is not attempted yet, so I will just make attempt. One attempt is allowed. Student is told that it is not graded yet. Due date is given and time remaining is given as well. So student will have to click on add submission. Now he can write some online text over here as well. Sir, my paper is uploaded in the following. Okay, or he can just write any problem or any questions which he has, etc. And now he can add submission over here. So let me just add the same paper which I already prepared. Let's say the student has saved all the answers in that, but they will have to change the paper and to format mid-exam, the department, paper name, student name, and registration number in the end as well. Okay, so they have to change it. Also they have to write full registration number over here as well in the file name. So this is what they have to do. So now I'll click on file picker. I'm back in portal, click on add, choose file, mid exam. Let's say this is my attempted exam. I've saved it, everything I've done as a student, and I'll click on open and upload this file. Okay, now I'll click on save changes. So now save changes is done. Now after that he has to click on submit assignment. This is very, very important. Once he has to click on this button, then it will be submitted. If he has not done this, then his submission will not be submitted. So make sure you tell them. I'll make a separate video for them as well, and they will have to basically click on this. So submit assignment, and now this screen will be shown. If you do not check those other options, students have to agree to submission, then this will not be shown, this window. So they have to agree to this, check on this. This assignment is my own work, except where I have acknowledged the use of work of other people, and any plagiarism if he has done, I will be responsible for that. So just click on this continue button, and now his exam is submitted. Okay, so submitted for grading, and you can see now the other options are gone. Okay, so now they cannot change their paper or change their submission. So this is very important. So make sure that you ask them to change their password, because after changing their password they will not be able to, other people will not be able to access their account. Now nobody can tamper with their account. However, they can open his submission. You can see over here, they can download the file and they can check it as well. So make sure that you tell your students to change their passwords. All right, so once that is done, now I'll come back from faculty account and show you how the submission. Though this is student registration is 003 Abdullah Khan. I've submitted on his behalf. So let me just log out and log in again from my own account. Alright, now I am back from faculty account. So I will go to my courses, Geotechnical Engineering 1, and I want to check the submission status of the students, or if I want to grade it. So I will click on this link, midterm exam submission link. Alright, so you can see one submission is there. Okay, so you can click on view grade all submission over here, and on this page now all the people who have submitted their names are shown. So this Abdullah Khan, this he has attempted, this is his paper. You can just click on it, it will be downloaded, and you can open it, view it, etc. and everything. And once you are finished with that, then you can come back to the portal and assign him grade. Alright, so from here you can click on this pen button. So now I am going to grade him, grade out of 30. So I am giving him 25 marks. Okay, out of 30. In this case, if you want to give any feedback, comments, etc., you can do that as well. Now you can just click on save changes or save and show next. This will be easy because then it will show you the next student and next. So you don't have to go to the grading page again and again. You can click on this button, but in this case there is only one student, so I will just click on save changes and it will just save the changes over here and also notify the students. Now I have graded that particular student, so grade changes have been saved. You can see over here his marks are 25, the grade is B. Alright, so this is how you will have to grade their work once they have submitted all the papers. Alright, and then later on you can download the results to your Excel file, etc., for your final result. So thank you very much for watching, Should you have any questions, you can ask your coordinators, or you can just directly email me at qi.civil@soot.edu.pk, and I'll be of help, inshallah. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much for listening. All the best. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.